What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today we're going to take a look at some Matchbox mainline models, and I think I mentioned it a few times. I don't really understand the distribution system from Mattel because I've already shown you models from the L case, and now we are going back. This is mostly K case. For some reason they skipped that case. I mean, happens often. I don't know why. So we get started with a brand new 2025 model, the BMW 318 Ti from 1995. I think this is already the third really cool new BMW casting for this year. We've seen the M2 as a new casting and the 7 Series, and all of them came in red, by the way. And yeah, so this is the compact version of the E36, and yeah, let's take a look at this one. All of them came in red. So we get a license plate, US license plate, which is pretty cool. Here you can see it, E36 compact, and some yeah, nice details on the back. Nice details on the front. I think it's an okay casting. I'm not really sure about this front part. I don't know. I think it looks a little bit off. And I try to figure out why that is. I'm not really sure. Maybe the hood is not round enough or something. Well, anyways, but I'm pretty happy that I found this one and that Matchbox is doing some stuff like that. So let's put our BMW into the parking lot as we go on with the 2023 Toyota GR Supra, now in yellow. I don't know. The first version came in white with golden rims, and I'm not really sure if I was able to find that. I don't think so. But anyways, now in yellow, I think it's a pretty cool casting, and the black rims are a nice match for this model, in my opinion. And on top of that, this one also comes with a license plate, and we can see Supra, what does it say? MK Mark 5 or something like that. Okay, yeah, pretty nice. I mean, this is a really great year for Matchbox, and yeah, we're going towards the end. I nearly found everything I wanted to, I think. Still some models missing, but yeah, most of the stuff I already found. Then we have the 1963 Chevy Corvette in a pretty nice light blue metallic livery. I think the tri-spoke wheels are a pretty nice match. We get the Corvette badge in the back, and look at that, this one also comes with a license plate saying Matchbox 327. I don't know what that means, to be honest, but normally it has some meaning. Yeah, nice casting. I mean, it's an era of cars that I normally don't collect, but this Corvette does look really nice. Then we do have a new color for the 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E. On this one, I think I missed one or two versions. The only thing that I could find was its debut version, which is it's definitely not the same color, but it's going into the same direction. This one I think looks really cool. Love this livery from the first version. This one is more orange. I would say it doesn't look as far as good as the other one. And this one also comes with the black 5 spokes. And let's take a look at the back. This one also nice details, and a Ford Mustang Mach-E license plate. Pretty cool. Into the parking lot it goes. Then a new color for the Fiat 500X. Yeah, well, I think it's a car. I don't know. I personally think this thing's pretty ugly in my opinion with this roof rack, but yeah, as this version shows, I think this one is from a multi-pack. It can be even uglier with this yeah, two color variation that looks pretty weird with the white wheels on top of that. I don't know. That's really weird. We've already seen it in also in black. I think that's okay, and in white. I don't know if I have all the versions. I think there are more versions out there. So let's put these to the side. This one into the parking lot. And we also have a new color for the 2022 Jeep Wagoneer. Yeah, nice, huge casting. Once again, very crisp details. Pretty cool what Matchbox is doing this year. Nice details on the back. Unfortunately, no license plate on this one. This was the first version in red. Came with the, let's say, usual issues with this color, this whatever you call that, candy apple red or something like that. But it seems like the metal flakes or whatever is in that color is not mixed up correctly, and we see some stains on these models sometimes with this color. So now I'm pretty happy that I found this one. Of course, the express delivery is yeah, kind of a generic casting, but as you can see, this one now comes in UPS livery, which is really, really cool in my opinion. Because, or let's say on top of that, we saw it, I think last year in FedEx deco. And yeah, now it's pretty cool to have these two next to each other. I mean, it's a generic casting, but I mean, yeah, it's a delivery vehicle. So I don't know if that really matters, but I think it's really, really cool that they come with this deco. And as you can see, there's a lot of deco going on. Normally, you only get let's say deco on the front and on this on the back, and on this one here you have deco on both sides, and also here on the front, which is really cool. And the same thing is here with our UPS model. Nothing on the front, but comes with the UPS logo on the back door, which is yeah, really, really cool. Pretty happy that I have this one. Very nice to display this one. We've already seen it in many deco styles. These two here are, yeah, let's say not real deco. So this is fictional agave acres and cargo couriers. This is yeah, Matchbox stuff, as you can see down there. Doesn't focus, but it's saying a division of Matchbox Transportation. So new color for the Chevy Silverado EV. We've seen it in blue, and I think there was a black version in a 5-pack or something. There we go. Yeah, nothing too spectacular. And as we can see, this one comes in this red color that I mentioned before, but it seems like this one doesn't have any issues. So pretty cool. Yeah. Then a new color for the 2024 Fiat Topolino. Yeah, and this is another one of these models. I'm really happy that they are doing this. This is yeah, I would say, let's say, weird stuff. I don't know how many of these Fiat is selling, but I guess it's not too much, especially in this version without the doors. And yeah. So now in kind of an olive green, and you've seen it in this mint color before. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Happy that I found that. Really cool. And we do have another new casting, the 2023 Ford E Transit Custom. I mean, obviously, the deco on this one is nothing to be really excited about. But I guess, and that is the cool thing normally about these delivery vans, I guess this one will come with pretty cool deco in the future. Only gets a side prints. So, I mean, the front, let's be honest, looks pretty weird with no deco on that. But yeah, I mean, it has an interior. Sometimes on these, I think on the Renault Kangoo, they have no interior, and we get a little bit more deco. But yeah, these are the decisions Matchbox is making. So we do have another model, moving parts. Normally I don't buy these because yeah, sometimes these opening parts are a little bit off. You know, you get big gaps and the color is not matching the rest of the model. And on top of that, these are pretty hard to get. Only a few stores do have them. So let's take this one out of its packaging. But I definitely want to have this one. So it's a Volkswagen Golf Mark 1 Cabriolet. In Germany, by the way, you're calling this Erdbeerkörbchen, which is kind of translating to strawberry basket. I think it's because of this bar here, and you can take it like a basket. This one comes with opening parts. Ooh, it's stiff. Yeah, I have to say this one is pretty nice for a moving parts model. And yeah, by the way, I did buy one of these Sky Busters planes. Normally I don't buy them, but this was pretty cheap for €4 something. As you can see, this is a Boeing 747-400 in UPS deco, but this one will stay in its packaging. And as always, at the end of these videos, I'm picking a favorite. And yeah, I mean, I really love the express delivery with the UPS deco, but although in my opinion it's not perfect, I think it's the BMW. It's really great that they are doing stuff like that. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting. See you next time.